Nice to meet you, engineers. Welcome to Sub-Assembly Composer Express training. In today's session, we will see how to assign codes to the points, links, and shapes. Now, let's start. For this, for the point 1, it is a point code. For this point code it is crown. It should be this. For the link, for the point 2, it is edge of travel way. Point 3, it is we can say it, for example, now it is, we can say it asphalt, or it is base course, sub base, like this. It will be base course. And we will assign for the link. For the L1, it is top and the pavement. Top or pavement we will give on the codes top. It's capital letters to be wet, top. Pave. And for the link to, it is a datum. For the link for, also the link code is this datum. And for point 4 and link 3, it is half part of our road section, and it continues. No need assign for this one. What is the importance of assigning these points? Because for the example, if you want to pay to, when you enter this to Civil 3D, if you didn't give a code, they didn't deliver us the needed offset elevation. For example, link to, if you didn't assign this link code, it doesn't give us the slope like this. That's why it is mandatory, this code. And if you to see those codes, you will check the codes and you will see the assigned codes. And also for the shape, we didn't give. For the shape, it is, you can say it, asphalt. Because it is point, link, and shape, automatically it's give us asphalt. And there is another method, for example, for the shape, we go to the input and output parameters. We add a parameter, this string is used to write a text, and we will give this material name. This unit name, and it is the string, and it will give us the default value asphalt, for example, and we write down this material name. We go to the shape, this shape, we write material name. Automatically asphalt will be right on this. If we change another material, for example, base course, it changes. If anything, when we tile, terrazzo, like this. It will be selected. For now it is asphalt. We write down asphalt. This is all about today's session. We are assigning a code for the point, link, and shape, and for the next time we will import how to save this sub-assembly and how to import the Civil 3D, and how can we model a corridor using this sub-assembly composer. If there is anything not clear, dropping in the comment below. See you next tutorial. Stay safe on site and keep building. Thank you so much for your attention.